So hey guys, so for them I'm going to show you this app where you can get free 500 MBs every day if you want. So you just have to follow these simple steps, then after you get it. But before we start, please subscribe, please like, please share, please comment if you have any question. And I think let's go on into the video. So what you have to do, this is the Google Play Store, and I'm sure if you have the Apple Store it is there too, so don't worry, it works both Android and iOS or Apple. So let's go guys. So what you just put MTN, just search for MTN. This is getting it every day. So after downloading it, I think you can see MTN Momo. For me, I've already downloaded. If it is your first time download it, you will get free 500 MBs. Free 500 MBs. So what you have to just do, we just have to open it, and I'm sorry that I may not demonstrate for you. It is because this app has some restrictions. You cannot screen record from it. That's the way they made it. So I will just demonstrate everything from here. So in this app you will, after opening it, you just put in your mobile number and even the pin and even the code which they will send to you. Then after sending you the code, you will just put it where it will put itself automatically. So after, if it is your first time, you'll get free 500 MBs automatically onto your mobile account automatically, just like that. And so they will be giving you 200 MBs the moment you recommend. It is not only sharing, but the moment if it is about recommending, you just have to put the mobile number of the person, because if you after opening the app, you will see on the top right area of the app, top right, stick on it, top right. I'll be opening on the top right. That top right, you will be seeing there, share this app recommend. So go where you see recommend. After putting there recommend, then after you have where to put the number of the person whom you recommend it to. Then if the person downloads it, you'll get free 200 MBs for free. After that person has downloaded it for his or her first time, just like that. And if it is him who has downloaded it for the first time, he will get 500 MBs, and even you will get 200 MBs. So that's how we'll be getting that free data. So guys, thank you, and I'm sorry that I didn't demonstrate it to you practically, but this app MTN Momo cannot allow you, or it has some restrictions. So guys, thank you, see you next time.